Hey, beautiful, it rained cat and dog yesterday. So seriously that lots of damages were done, but thank God the security agents were on alert. Initially, people have been warned to watch out for such a time as this, and indeed, it came yesterday, the 14th of July 2021, and it rained so heavily, destroyed properties and lives, sadly. But yeah, this is the outcome. I'll let you watch. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Germany today. In certain severe conditions, people were picked right from their doorsteps. People were rescued. There were, alerts everywhere on the roadside, in houses. You just have to dial and report your case, whereby you have that chance. Of course, some didn't have that chance and they lost their lives. Recently, more than 20 people have been considered missing, up to now not found, and it's really sad. This